Hello guys, first of all, this is my first video for a smoother user experience in Android, and I have not edited this video. This video is direct made by me using screen recorder, as you can see. So let's start this video. At first, I'm going to talk about RAM expansion. You will see this setting in About Phone. RAM expansion. There you can see, if you tap on this, you will see RAM expansion. You will see this setting in About Phone, then RAM, as you can see. If you think by expanding the RAM your RAM increases, then you're wrong. It just kills your storage in background. 6 GB RAM is enough for any Android device. I have 12 GB of RAM, which is more than enough, and in my personal experience, I would really recommend you to not expand your RAM and switch it off, because by expanding it, the phone lags a bit and becomes less smooth. Try turning it off and you will see the smoothness and in overall and gaming performance. Furthermore, I would recommend you to not update the Android version. As you can see, I have not updated. I will also downgrade to 11. Now currently running in 12. Not update the Android version, because latest version of Android and especially Oxygen OS is not stable. Than previous versions. If you have updated, then you can downgrade, but make sure you back up everything and turn off auto system update from this option. Here you can see auto update setting. Tap it and turn off this auto update. Do not allow. It will not update automatically. Moreover, you should also turn off auto update of apps from Play Store and manually update the apps which you think should be updated, because auto update of apps also slow down your Android device. You can turn it off like this from Play Store. Click your profile, then click on settings on the last second, then click on network preference. There you can see on the second number auto update apps. Turn it to don't auto update apps, like me. As you can see, if I go to manage apps and device, I have 41 updates pending, which is not at all required. After that, check for the caches files once in a week. The app you use the most generates more caches files, like Instagram, YouTube, and etc. as per your preferred apps. I'll show you how you can clear the caches. Like Instagram, tap and hold, go to app info, then go to storage uses, as you can see, then clear the caches. As you can see, it has generated 665 MB. Clear the caches. It will clear your memory and storage, unnecessary storage. It is very useful, and always try to restart your phone daily. If you are not restarting your phone daily, try to restart it once a week. It's very important, very important. moving forward moving forward to let me just clear the caches of YouTube also. As you can see, it also has generated 348 MB. Clear it anyways. It doesn't affect your user experience. Moving forward to another step is to keep your notifications panel neat and clean. It will make your Android more stable and smooth. Let me show you how you can do it. First, go to settings, then notifications and status bar. As you can see here, there you will see all apps like this. And all apps are turned on for notification, and all apps are turned on for notification. In default, turn off those apps turn off those apps notification which you don't use, like mine. As you can see, I've turned off many notifications which I don't want, and I have turned on which I want. This keeps my notification bar clean. So many app notification which is not needed. Moving forward to the next step is that many people are afraid to download so many apps as they contains pop-up ads which irritates and makes your device slow. So for this, you just have to go to settings, then apps. As you can see, apps, then app management. Here it is, app management. But first, remember, default apps doesn't pop up ads, especially third-party apps pop up ads like MX Player Pro, PixArt and other third-party apps. You can turn it off from selecting the app. Like, I'll show you. Like like MX Player Pro, it generally shows so many ads, so you can turn it off, like selecting the app, then data usage. Here you can see data usage. Go into it and enable both these both options. Disable mobile data, disable Wi-Fi, and turn off background data. It will not no ads will be pop up in background. Some third-party apps may need mobile data like PixArt and all, some other apps, third-party apps, PixArt. So you will ask that how will I turn off mobile data? Then you don't have to turn off the mobile data or Wi-Fi, just turn off the background data. So you can just turn off background data like this and leave the rest as it is. It will help a lot, and it will also save your battery consumption. After that, I would also recommend you to turn off always on display. In personalization, here you can see I've turned it off. Like me, I know many people love to keep it turned on, but it is useless, and turning it off will increase your battery backup. And after that, I highly recommend you to never change the theme from default or install any launcher, because the default theme and launcher are the most stable one. For now, I'm leaving home screen. For now, I'm leaving the home screen and lock screen. But in the next video, I'll cover them up too. After that, if you are using dark theme, it would be better. And I personally use dark theme, as you can see, because it looks and feels so premium than white theme. This setting is in display and brightness. Here you can see display and brightness. Then go to dark mode settings. Here you can see I highly recommend you to keep the style in enhanced here for premium experience, and turn off all these settings. They are not needed, like adaptive contrast, adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust icon to dark mode. These all settings are not needed and not required. And keep the screen refresh rate to high. Always try to keep the screen refresh rate to high. It will smooth your phone experience. After that, developer option. By tapping on the build number which is in the about phone, I'll not show you my build number, but you will get your build number in about phone. Tap it for 6 to 7 times, then go to the developer option. You can find the developer option in the system settings. Down here you can see developer option. It will be enabled after tapping 5 to 6 times to in build number. Go to developer option and make sure it's turned on. As you can see, and then scroll down to drawing section. Scroll down a bit, then you will see a drawing section. There it is, drawing section, where you will find three animation settings. These all three, which are default to 1x. This 1x, they are mainly always they are default in 1x, but you have to turn all three of them to animation scale 0.5x. As you can see mine. Restart your device and see the difference. that's that's for today video, and I'll cover up all the setting which you need to do in my next video. And in the next video I'll tell you how to customize your Android like a professional. Hope you guys like it, and I know Android developers are not going to like it because I have turned off so many settings. Leave it. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll try to resolve it. And that's all for today. Sorry for my voice. My throat is not good today. But I'll try to cover up and make more good video in the next time. Subscription will be appreciated. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.